Welcome back to our English Conversation podcast. We are really happy you are here with us today. I'm Lena.
And I'm Eric. It feels so good to spend this time together again.
If you enjoy learning English in a calm and simple way, please support us. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel.
Your support truly helps us continue making these lessons, and we love seeing this community grow every week.
Today, we're talking about clothes and style, something we all use every single day.
Yes, even before we speak in the morning, we choose what to wear.
Exactly. Our clothes say something about us.
Sometimes they say, "I'm ready for work."
And sometimes they say, I just want to relax.
Or maybe, "I want to look confident today."
I like that. Clothes can change how we feel.
They really can. If I wear something comfortable, I feel calm.
And if you wear something new,
Then I feel excited, maybe even a little proud.
see, this is why this topic is important. It's not only about fabric, it's about feelings.
And it's also very common in daily conversation. People often ask, "What are you wearing? Where did you buy that?"
Yes, or they say, I like your jacket.
That's a compliment, and you need to know how to respond.
Today, we will help you speak about clothes clearly.
In simple English, real English, useful English.
We will talk about favorite outfits,
Shopping,
casual and formal style.
and how clothes make us feel.
So relax, listen carefully, and imagine your own wardrobe.
Because in a moment, you might start thinking about your favorite piece of clothing.
That feeling is interesting. When you open your wardrobe in the morning
Yes, sometimes I just stand there and look.
and you think, I have nothing to wear.
Exactly, even when I have many clothes.
Why does that happen?
Maybe because I want the perfect outfit.
So what is a perfect outfit for you?
Something simple, comfortable, not too formal.
So more casual style?
Yes, I prefer casual clothes most days.
Like what?
A plain t-shirt, blue jeans, sneakers.
That sounds relaxed.
It is, and I feel confident in it.
Confidence is important.
Very important. If I feel uncomfortable, my mood changes.
So comfort affects your mood?
Yes, if my shoes are too tight, I feel annoyed all day.
That is true. Uncomfortable clothes can distract you.
Exactly. You keep thinking about them.
What about formal clothes?
I only wear formal clothes for special occasions.
Like a wedding?
Yes, or an important meeting.
How do you feel in a suit?
Different. More serious. More professional.
So clothes change your behavior too.
I think they do. When I wear a suit, I stand straighter.
That is interesting. Your posture changes.
Yes, I feel more responsible somehow.
I feel something similar with dresses.
Really? Tell me more.
If I wear a simple dress, I feel light and relaxed.
And if it is elegant?
Then I feel graceful, almost like I am preparing for something special.
That shows style is personal.
Very personal. It is not only fashion.
It's self-expression.
Yes, your style shows your personality.
Some people like bright colors,
Others prefer neutral colors.
like black, white, or gray.
What do your clothes usually say about you?
Maybe that I like simplicity and comfort.
That sounds honest.
And maybe a little boring.
No, simple can be stylish too.
I like that idea. Simple, but confident.
You said simple can be stylish.
Yes, I really believe that.
But what about trends? Do you follow fashion trends?
Not really. Trends change too fast.
That is true. One month something is popular.
And the next month it disappears.
Does that confuse you?
Sometimes I see something online, everyone is wearing it.
And you feel pressure?
A little, like maybe I should buy it too.
But do you actually like it?
Not always. Sometimes I just like the idea of it.
That is very honest.
I think many people feel that way.
So how do you decide what to buy?
I ask myself one question.
What question?
Will I wear this many times?
That is smart.
If the answer is no, I do not buy it.
So you think about practicality.
Yes, and also quality.
Quality is important.
Very important. Good quality clothes last longer.
So you prefer fewer clothes but better ones?
Exactly. I do not need 20 jackets.
Just one good jacket.
Yes, one that fits well.
Fit is another important word.
Yes, if something does not fit well, it never looks right.
Even if it is expensive.
Exactly. Price does not guarantee style.
That is such a good sentence.
I learned that after buying a very expensive shirt.
Oh no, what happened?
It looked great in the store.
But?
When I wore it outside, I felt uncomfortable.
Was it too tight?
A little tight, and the fabric was stiff.
So it was not comfortable.
Not at all. I never wore it again.
That is disappointing.
Yes, it was a lesson.
Now you think before you buy.
Always. I even try to imagine different situations.
Like what?
Can I wear this to work? Can I wear this with jeans? Can I wear it in different seasons?
That makes your wardrobe more flexible.
Yes, I like clothes that match easily.
So neutral colors?
Mostly black, navy, gray.
And maybe one bold piece sometimes?
Yes, just one statement piece.
Statement piece. I like that phrase.
It means one item that stands out.
So your style is simple with one strong detail.
Exactly. That feels balanced to me.
That balance you mentioned is really interesting.
You mean simple clothes with one statement piece?
Yes, I think that works very well.
It makes the outfit look intentional.
Intentional. That is a strong word.
It means you chose it on purpose, not by accident.
I like that. Sometimes my style feels accidental.
What do you mean?
Sometimes I just grab the first shirt and the first pair of jeans.
So no planning at all?
Exactly. And sometimes it works.
And sometimes it does not.
Yes, sometimes I look in the mirror and think, this does not match.
Color coordination is important.
Color coordination. That sounds professional.
It just means choosing colors that look good together.
So which colors match easily?
Neutral colors are easy. Black with white, blue with gray.
What about bright colors?
They can work, but you have to be careful.
Careful how?
If everything is bright, it can look too busy.
Too busy. That means too much happening?
Yes, too many strong colors at once.
So maybe one bright item and the rest simple.
Exactly. That creates contrast.
Contrast is a useful word.
Yes, contrast means difference.
Like a red jacket with black pants.
Perfect example.
What about patterns? Do you mix patterns?
Rarely. Mixing patterns is difficult.
Why is it difficult?
Because stripes with checks can look messy.
So you prefer one pattern only.
Yes, one patterned item and the rest plain.
Plain clothes are easy to style.
Very easy. A plain white shirt can go with almost anything.
That is true. White shirts are classic.
Classic is another good word.
Classic means always in style.
Yes, it never looks old.
Do you think style changes with age?
That is an interesting question.
For example, what you wore at 18 may be different now.
Definitely different. When I was younger, I wore very bold clothes.
Like what?
Bright colors, big logos.
Logos everywhere.
Yes, now I prefer minimal style.
Minimal means simple and clean.
Exactly, less decoration.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, because I know what suits me.
Suits you. That means looks good on you.
Right, it matches my personality.
So style is not only about clothes.
No, it's about expressing who you are.
That is deep.
But true, your clothes tell a story.
I never thought about it that way.
Next time you choose an outfit, think about the story you want to tell.
That idea about telling a story is still in my head.
About clothes showing personality?
Yes, it makes me think about confidence.
Confidence changes everything.
How so?
If you feel confident in your clothes, you walk differently.
You stand taller.
Exactly. Your posture improves.
Posture is how you stand and sit.
Yes, good posture makes you look strong.
So clothes can affect posture?
Indirectly, yes. If you feel good, you act differently.
That is true. When I wear something I love, I smile more.
And people notice that.
Do you think expensive clothes make people more confident?
Not always.
Really?
Confidence does not come from price. It comes from comfort and fit.
Fit is very important.
Yes, if clothes fit well, they look better.
What does fit well mean exactly?
Not too tight, not too loose, just right for your body.
Sometimes I buy something because it looks nice on the hanger.
But it looks different on you.
Exactly.
That is why trying clothes on is important.
Yes, mirrors tell the truth.
Sometimes a painful truth.
Very painful.
Have you ever bought something and never worn it?
Yes, many times.
Why?
Because at home it did not feel right.
That happens a lot.
Sometimes it looks trendy but not practical.
Practical is a great word.
It means useful in real life.
Exactly. High heels look stylish, but are not always practical.
Especially for walking long distances.
Or standing for hours.
So how do you balance style and practicality?
I ask myself one question.
What question?
Can I wear this comfortably for several hours?
That is smart.
If the answer is no, I usually do not buy it.
That saves money too.
Yes, smart shopping is important.
What is smart shopping?
Buying things you truly need, not just things that look exciting.
That is difficult sometimes.
Very difficult.
Sales make it even harder.
Oh yes, discount signs are dangerous.
They make everything look necessary.
Even when it's not.
Do you follow fashion trends?
Sometimes I look at them, but I don't follow every trend.
Why not?
Because trends change quickly.
Very quickly.
If you follow every trend, your closet becomes full of clothes you stop wearing.
That is true.
I prefer timeless pieces.
Timeless means never going out of style.
Exactly, like a simple black jacket.
Or blue jeans.
Yes, those pieces work every year.
So building a wardrobe is like building a collection.
A thoughtful collection.
Thoughtful means chosen carefully.
Yes, not random.
I like that idea.
Start with basics, then add special pieces slowly.
That sounds less stressful.
It is. Style should feel fun, not stressful.
All that talk about confidence makes me think about the words we used today.
Yes, we used many useful words.
Let's review them slowly.
Good idea. Repetition helps memory.
Our first word is outfit.
Outfit means all the clothes you are wearing together.
For example, my outfit today is simple.
A shirt, pants, and shoes together make one outfit.
The second word is stylish.
Stylish means fashionable and attractive.
You can say, she looks stylish in that jacket.
or that is a very stylish dress.
Next word is casual.
Casual means relaxed and not formal.
Jeans and a t-shirt are casual clothes.
A suit is not casual, it is formal.
Another important word is formal.
Formal clothes are for special events like weddings or interviews.
Next word is comfortable.
Comfortable means it feels good on your body.
If shoes hurt your feet, they are not comfortable.
Exactly.
We also used the word fit.
Fit means how clothes sit on your body.
If it is too tight or too loose, it does not fit well.
Good fit makes you look better.
Another word was trendy.
Trendy means popular now, but maybe not forever.
Trends change quickly.
That is why timeless pieces are important.
Timeless means always in style.
Like simple jeans or a black jacket.
We also used practical.
Practical means useful for real life.
High heels are stylish, but not always practical.
Especially for long walks.
Finally, confidence.
Confidence is believing in yourself.
When you feel confident, you feel strong and relaxed.
And clothes can help build that feeling.
Today, we talked about style, comfort, shopping, and confidence.
We explored many small ideas in simple English.
Now, it is your turn.
Yes, we have one question for you.
What is your favorite outfit and why?
Write a short answer in simple English.
Use at least one new word today.
Maybe comfortable, maybe stylish, maybe casual.
We read your comments.
And we love seeing your progress.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If this conversation helped you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.
Your support helps us create more simple lessons.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep building your confidence.